following are the indicators after a thorough examination of the scene that the search for evidence is initially completed, except A, B, C, or D. Anong sagot ng mga bodies? Tamang sagot ay A. Examination of evidence have been completed. Hindi pa nga take note of the word initially. Ibig sabihin, hindi pa completed. Initially lang. Kumbaga, parang preliminary pa lang. Preliminary, initially. So, hindi pa tapos. Huwag kang excited. Simula pa lang. So, ano yung mga indicators na nagkaroon na ng thorough examination and search for evidence is initially completed? E di yung B, C, at D. B, investigative notes have been completed. Naisulat mo na. C, photographs have been completed. Napicturean mo na lahat. And letter D, rough sketch have been completed. Na-drawing mo na. Pero hindi pa tapos lahat. Kasi yung evidence, di ba dadalhin mo pa yan sa forensic laboratory. Sa forensic laboratory, i-examine mo pa yan. Halimbawa nga, in the case of rape, may nakita kang similia o sperm cell dun sa crime scene. Di ba dadalhin mo yan sa forensic laboratory. I-check ngayon yan kung kaninong similia yan. Di ba? Kapag medyo kulot-kulot yung buhok ng sperm cell, baka kamukha yan ni Buddy Roger. Di ba? Pero kung halimbawa, yung sperm cell may mga bigote, may balbas, baka kamukha naman ng isang body natin yan. So sa madaling sabi, hindi pa tapos, initially completed pa lang So letter A is the best answer. Aim Smart, your review authority.